Hi guys, thank you Lord God and thank you so much everyone. It was a success. Though madami pang improvements to apply, at least we learned a thing or two on our first day. I want to thank my friends and my family na nag-support all the way just to make this happen. But all thanks to God who provided everything I need to reach the goal to expand the cake shop and to help other people. You are all such blessings to me, and I bless the Lord for that. A friend of mine who is also a baker showing me na ang lakas ng ulan sa ibang barangay ng Malasiki. But I pray for days na wag umulan sa araw ng pagbenta namin. So yeah, prayers works talaga. Sa lahat ng dumadayo at tumitikim ng aming cake slices, please leave us a honest review for us to improve more and upgrade. So that someday, mas lalong mag-expand yung cake shop for walk-ins. See you next Thursday po, same place sa Malasiki Plaza from 11 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Thank you so much everyone. Bye!